Alright, so give me some.
Jamaica.
Jamaica? Alright, what else?
Weed.
Alright, weed.
Lucky Charms.
Talk about weed, good joint. Jamaica, good point. I'm talking about the puns, got it going on like Big Bun. No, I hit it like it's one, never won, cause I'm winning. Hit it like the devil, so you know I'm always sinning. And I'm grinning like a smile, so I hit it for a mile. I'ma have to hit it good when I hit the freestyle. Damn, I'm the motherfucking man, doing everything in bass house that I can. Looking at these bitches when they stand at the door, and they probably fuck a whore, but I'll probably fuck them more. Damn, and I hit it with the same rock. Yeah, got the vagina with the same cock. Motherfucker, I'm a gamecock, so I hit it like a shamrock. Watch the camera, and they see it in the finger in the hand. Hit it right there on what the bitches demand. So I take it right there with a long shirt, got the blue
Seahawks,
shit, so you know how we work Seahawks. Yeah, you know we rock. And when I look at that watch, I see a G-Shock. No, G, that's shocking. I can hit it right there in that stocking. More like Christmas, bitch, I'm in this. Kinda like Santa, kid from Atlanta, sipping on a Fanta, Hannah Montana, on my banana. Miley Cyrus getting started, hell yeah, like the pirates. Writing on the paper, and I'm about to see you later, hit it like a vapor. They call me Snaper, more like Harry Potter. I'ma hit it like a Harry daughter. Hell no, that's disgusting. Nigga pussing. And I take it like you flushing. So I take it right the back and I'm rushing. What you say?
Okay.
Four Loco, when we sipping on the beer, no, we sipping on the alcohol. Now watch me ball and I hit it crystal clear when I sip it from the mouth. Then we about to let it in, I'm about to put it out like a candle. Shit you can't handle, kinda like Captain, get it? No, I never spit it, and I take it right there when I never read it. Hell yeah, bring it like the Nike, so you know you wanna bite me. And I hit it like you bought me, kinda like I was rocking, never cocky, no confident. Hit it like I'm dominant, flow so prominent, hit it like I'm on my shit, yeah. And I'm talking like the constipation.
Mike Tyson.
Best in the nation, Mike Tyson, yeah, gotta hear from music. Yeah, and I hit it like I'm boxing, take it right there in the ring, so I knock kings down. And I take it never frown, smiling bitch, so they calling me a clown. Hell yeah, rapping with the blonde hair, breaks that, yeah, you know it's always on there. Kinda fit it when I'm in it, when I'm with it, and I hit it super witty when I'm riding in the city with my bitty looking pretty, and I hit it like the man, motherfucker damn. I'm doing jams, I'm doing slam, MC hammering the slammer, and you bring it like that, like a hammer. Pound that nail, that hit it right there. People ask what happened, people say it's done. People ask what happened, people ask what happened. You can just say Nathan won.